Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet again to another video. If you're brand new to this channel, you're a digital marketer, and in this channel we talk about affiliate marketing, ways to make money online, and the mindset. You're gonna think, can I make money online by answering questions? Maybe you have an expertise. Maybe you know how to grow YouTube. Maybe you know anything about the medical field, the health field, the fitness field. It doesn't matter. It can work for any niche or any expertise that you have. Yes, you can make a lot of money by answering simple questions online. And I'm going to show you some of these websites. But first, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you want more videos like this, hit that button and subscribe. Also, hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos. When I release them, I try to release them around the same time. Sometimes it takes me a little bit of time to upload them, but I'm really excited for this because I have a tip at the end of this video. If you stay all the way to the end, how you guys can make even more money by answering questions, and it's one of my favorite platforms. And you know, I wish I would have known this a long time ago. I would have just jumped into that one first, but I also love YouTube. That's why I'm here. And also want to tell you that, you know, pretty soon I'm looking at least another 2 weeks of doing this work. On my course, I've been delaying it for the longest time, and I'm really upset. But you know, a lot of things have happened. As you know, we're quarantined too, and things have really changed for everyone. So I had to put a little stop on what I was doing. But also, I'm excited because now that I'm getting momentum, now that I'm working on it, I'm ready, and I can't wait to give you this information because I know it's gonna be a sustainable business. We're going to find ways to make money and try to find a few sources of income. So when things like this happen, and if something happened like the video that I just created right here about the Amazon affiliates associates killing everybody's business, you don't have to worry about that. So let's jump into this video. I'll show you the sites where you guys can go, show your expertise, and start making money by answering simple questions. Okay, then the first website is called School Solver. So we are going to go to answer questions. Okay, and as you can see, there are people are willing to pay 50 cents. Engineering need a solution to this question is urgent. $50 for United States education. Obviously, you know, all the kids are not going to school. Physics $2, $100 if you're a math teacher. Almost to $19.50 for a business, right? And a lot of them are urgent, and as you can see, they have 973 pages right here. So you go and register, and then you start looking for the actual questions that you know what to answer. You got a business for 25 and you got a business for 2. So what subject are you good at it? What you actually are gonna be able to answer? You know, just go here and you can actually subscribe to this and start answering questions on schoolsolver.com. The next one is, if you're an expert, you can earn cash by sharing your expertise online. And as you can see, this website has been featured CNN, NBC, Fox, Today, and the New York Times. So you make money by doing what you love, leverage your professional expertise, and then you can work from anywhere, anytime online. So this is worldwide, and when you work as much as you want. Okay, so from divorce lawyers to dog vets to Maytag techs and Mercedes-Benz mechanics. If you have a professional expertise, then you can earn cash on just answer. Join the 1,000 experts, answer over 16 million questions. People have questions all the time and they want answers quickly. So you guys can actually use this to your advantage if you're an expert at any field. So you go here, register, go answer questions, and start answering. So we gotta go to the next site. The next one is MindSumo, and this one is also leveraging your knowledge, and you are a problem solver. So you gotta answer, and MindSumo was created from the Stanford University Startup Accelerator program. And as you can see, they work with Target, Nestle, Mercedes-Benz, Groupon, Microsoft, Ford, Yahoo, Kayak.com, and you apply skills and get recognized. And you can see these are some of the people that work for this company and have give their opinion about it. Pay for college expenses, make a difference, and let's go. So we're gonna go here and says deliver innovative ideas to the world top brands. So you're solving problems to the questions that some of these companies have. And this, what is the next trendy food ingredient? Okay, so there's an anonymous company, and they're willing to pay up to $1,600. Okay, there's 22 days left on this. During social distancing, how can a technology bring artists and fans closer together? Universal Music Group. They want to know how they can use this. Which brands have had the best response to COVID-19? That one's $800, $1,600. Can you imagine a special new cabinet solution? Propose a high protein food or snack. So as you can see, filter challenges by skill. What is your skill? They're right here. So as you can see, the potential to make money is pretty incredible if you really are good at knowing what your subject is. You get paid for your opinions. So if you're looking for people like you to give their opinions about new products and services, new marketing campaigns, you can tell them more. You can sign up here, and then we're gonna click on this and see it says how it works. Right, and business wants to hear from all kinds of people. So if you buy products for yourself and your house, then you can give your opinions. You know, you can sign up for studies, and you get paid with prepaid Visa and merchant e-cards. You can also refer friends. This is kind of like affiliate marketing. So, you know, these are pretty simple websites where you guys can go sign up, look at what they have, you know, and always check for how it works. And they also sometimes have Q&As at the bottom. Available studies about us, the medical panel, and you also have that refer a friend. Some of these I've told you that they have affiliate programs that you guys can sign up for, and every time somebody goes through that, you can earn extra cash. And to me, Quora is actually one of the best platforms that you guys can use, because if you are writing blogs or you have YouTube channels about certain topics that you're good at it, like, you know, for example, working out, you're gonna click on that, and then you're gonna go and browse to all these questions. So for once, you can see what is the best advice or best tips you have for achieving and maintaining visible abs. So if you're a personal trainer, this is one of the best ways for you guys to actually make more money. And then you gotta click on the question, then you gotta go answer the question, right? And then within your question, you have to set up your question in a way that it doesn't sound spammy. Then you are gonna give your opinion, pictures, whatever, and within your content right here, somewhere in here, you are gonna go and send them to what possibly can be your blog post or your landing page, where you can tell them, well, this is what I can answer you about keeping your abs, but I have the 5 foods that you need to eat to lose weight and keep your abs. Or for example, let's think motorcycles for a little change. Let's go in motorcycle parts. So as you can see, what are the names for motorcycle engine parts? What motorcycle parts cost a lot? And then you go here and you answer, right? And let's think. You're gonna get upvotes for this, right? And then you can click in here, you give your relevant answer, and as you can see, all this right here could be affiliate links that you can have. Not all of them, but at least you make one. Now, to me will be, if you want something with motorcycles, like I really don't know much about the subject, you can actually add something here where you can say, well, to me, this is the, you want to know parts of motorcycles. Well, these are the parts that you need in case you don't want to spend that money on this ones. The recommended engine parts for a motorcycle. are here, and then you send them to a landing page where you guys can collect their emails and then send them to the affiliate program where they can actually purchase these parts. If you know anything about motorcycles, right? Just so you guys can think outside the box and you realize that the potential for you guys to make money, Quora is one of the top, if not the top, question answer platform that you guys can go in. You don't have to create anything else besides a landing page and an email autoresponder, for example, because you can send them directly from there to your landing page where you give them something for free, and then you target them and send them to your affiliate program, right? But this is a perfect example of there's questions coming in all the time in Quora, and you can actually use this to send them to your blog post, to your YouTube channel, any other platform that you have when you talk about the knowledge on the niche that you have. So you see there's a bunch of websites that you guys can go in, and if you're very good at answering questions, you can actually apply to like 3 or 4 of these ones and answer questions all day long. Think about this. You have that knowledge, you go into work, but then you're actually sitting at home for 5 to 6 hours answering all these questions because you have the knowledge. Those questions will be answered really quick. You can start making money, guys, and then you can make this a career. You can even create a course on whatever you know. You go here and then you push these people from those answers into your free course that you can create, or the course you actually can make it that people will pay for it. So potential is there. Please, this is like, ladies and gentlemen, this is like a very simple way of you guys making money using what you already know. And if you like videos like this, guys, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also if you know someone that has any knowledge, send them and share this video with them, because maybe they're looking for something else to do and earn extra cash with their knowledge. So if you guys want to do something very different from home, there's a video that's coming from 10 high-paying jobs you can actually do from home. And also be on the lookout because my course is coming pretty soon. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. I will see you guys in the next one.